We're gonna make 2 holes in the wall with a screwdriver. Then, with the help of screws, we'll fix the clamps in the holes. Now you can attach a pipe to the wall and fix it with the clamps. Cut off the excess and everything looks very neat. Did the shower head start leaking? Let's open it up and see what's inside. Yeah, the valve is leaking. It doesn't matter. We'll cut off the main part and get rid of the leaky one. Now you can pull the one-piece hose back on the valve, drive it back into the structure and tighten the shower. As you can see, it doesn't leak anymore. We'll outline the future cut on the plastic pipe. Then we'll make it with a circular saw. Now attach it carefully with adhesive tape. The main thing is reliability. We insert the vacuum cleaner hose into the free end of the pipe. Turn it on when working with a saw and all of the dust and debris will be sucked in immediately. No more mess. If you need a hole of a certain depth, just mark it on the drill with a marker. Now we'll need nails, clamps, and some more bare wires. And I'll show you how to use them to strengthen the door hedges. We drive the clamp into the first hole and then tighten the screw. In the second, everything is the same, only with a nail, but the wire will already go into the third hole. Now the hinges will definitely not get loose. If you've lost the key to the aluminum lock, then it doesn't matter. A gas burner will help you open it without a key. You just need to heat and hit it. Look, it's already deformed. It will help him with a screwdriver. That's all, the lock is open. So, when drilling through holes on the board, there are no chips left on the other side. Do this. Drill half of the hole on the one side and finish the work on the other. Everything's clean. Now I'll show you a clever way to fasten 2 wooden beams. Let's outline the attachment points. And now, with the help of such a device, we'll make 2 exact holes. First in one beam and then in the other. Now using a similar device, we'll make a hole on the other side and we'll be able to drive such an unusual washer inside. With the help of it, we'll fasten the beams. It remains only to screw the screws in and everything is ready. Just look how reliable. I can't even break it with my foot. It can withstand even the weight of my body. Blunted scissors? Well, they can be sharpened up with an ordinary nail. Just squeeze them around in a couple of times and they're sharp again. Even sharper than they were before. Even sandpaper is cut. We'll make a lot of incisions with the help of a machine, and then we'll clean out everything with the help of such a drill. Everything is clean. By the way, you can play the guitar not only with your fingers, but also with a screwdriver. If the machine doesn't reach the edge of the board, you can always just lift it up and the cut will still remain smooth. To pour something out of the canister, don't suck the liquid up into yourself through the pipe, but on the contrary, blow so the liquid goes back along with the air. Let's take 2 wooden bars and make notes of them based on each other. Now we'll make additional notes to understand which part we'll get rid of. It remains to saw it off. Then clean it up a little with a jigsaw and cover it with glue. Now we press them tightly together and fix them until the glue solidifies. A couple of deft moments on the machine turn our corner into such a structure. Now we'll need small wooden planks, and here you are. We smear the construction with glue and insert the planks there. After drying, we cut off all the excess, clean it up, jigsaw and grind. Just look at what a beautiful wooden corner we have turned out, a masterful work. It's not very convenient to pour liquid from such a canister. Let's make a hole in the lid and then screw the faucet in. There is the fix with 2 rubber washers and a small piece of steel pipe. We return the lid to this place, install the canister sideways, and you can pour the liquid with a tap. And here are the cookies for milk.